Good morning students, I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. Today we'll continue our chapter Cyber Quiz. So open page number 100 till question number 10. We have done in the previous video, in the previous class we have done till question number 10. So today we are going to start from question number 11. So open page number 100, question number 11. The question number 11 is CPU stands for, and the options given to us are control processing unit, combined processing unit, and third option given to us is central processing unit. So the right answer for CPU stands for is option C, central processing unit. So write down children, central processing unit. Come to question number 12. Question 12 is the computer keyboard is which type of device? The computer keyboard is which type of device? Option given to us are output, input, processing. So children, the computer keyboard is a processing device. Oh sorry, computer keyboard is a input device. Processing is CPU, not the keyboard. So keyboard is input device. Option B, input. Keyboard is an input. Keyboard is an input device. Come to question number 13. 13th question is speed of computer is measured in. Students' computer work very fast, and so if you want to see the speed of, if you want to measure the speed of computer, so in how you will measure it? So it will be measured in either in nanoseconds, seconds or minute. You know the computer give a quick answer. So to measure the speed of computer, we measure it in nanoseconds. So the right answer is option A for question number 13. The right answer is option A, nanosecond. Nanoseconds. Now question number 14. Question 14 is dash is the shortcut key for opening a new document in MS Word. Dash is the shortcut key for opening a new document in MS Word. Options given to us are Control plus N, Control plus S, and the third option is Control plus O. So just students, the right answer is for opening a new document for MS Word is Control plus N. Option A, Control plus N. CTRL plus N. Now question number 15. Which is an example of an operating system? Here three options are given to you and you have to choose which among these is a operating system. Option A, Java. Option B, Unix. Option C, Basic. So the operating system among these three is Unix. Option B, Unix. Now come to question number 16. Question 16 is Windows Explorer is used to. What is the use of Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a web browser. Windows Explorer is a web browser, and what is the use of web browser is the options given to you is read a document, write a document or surf internet. So in Windows Explorer is used to surf internet. If you want to search anything on internet, you have to use the web browser, and the Internet Explorer is also one of the web browser. So Windows Explorer is used for surf internet. So option C is correct for this, surf internet. Now question number 17. Question 17 is the default extension for MS Word file is. The default extension for MS Word file is option C, .docx. Now come to question number 18. The program on the ROM are automatically dashed when we start a computer. I am repeating again. Excuse me. The program on the ROM are automatically dashed when we start a computer. Options given to us is read, executed, written. So for ROM, it is automatically read. So the right answer is option A, read. Now come to question number 19. Question number 19 is folder is a collection of. Folder is a collection of what you can collect in a folder. So options are subfolders and files, option B files only, and option C documents. So what you can collect in a folder? So in a folder we can collect subfolders also and the files also. So the option A is correct for question number 19, subfolders and files. So write down option A, subfolders and files. Now come to question number 20. Question 20 is given on the next page. Question 20 is dash is used in Paint program to zoom the picture. Dash is used in Paint program to zoom the picture. If you want to zoom any picture, what you have to use in the Paint program? Zoom means to enlarge it or to minimize it. How you can use it? You do this thing in Paint program. So the options given to you is magnifier tool, curve tool or pencil tool. The options are magnifier tool, curve tool or the pencil tool. And the right answer for this is option A, magnifier tool. So write down option A, magnifier tool. Magnifier tool. So children, till question number 20 we have completed our cyber quiz. You have to do all these questions in your notebook also, and you have to learn it. Thank you so much.